did I stop using intros and you know, that anime thing and my logo jumping around and all that? So to be honest, I did it because I'm greedy. Yeah, I saw that many people, when you look at the audience retention report, it was like this, and then it drops. And I saw that because the intro thingy, it just threw people off, and they just left, and they don't want to see a logo jumping around doing this and that, and music bouncing, and people don't like that. All right, that's why I thought, instead of squeezing every second out of the viewer, let me just show them the perfect portions of the video that they need to see. That's why you'll see my recent videos. There are a minimum of 1 minute to a maximum of 7 minutes. Or the reason I stopped using intros is because it made my audience retention drop, absolutely drop. And I can check this video's audience retention as well. I'll see that it did drop as well, because there's just many people who don't want to see an intro. And that's why I don't do, hey guys, welcome back to this channel, go subscribe to my brother much. I do that sometimes, but that's only when I know that this video is going to perform really good and people really need this. But when it's a tiny video like how to check your total views or how to count your characters, I don't want to squeeze every second out of the viewer's time. But I will do intros when I know that video is something very useful to the viewer, and I will do call to actions. I will do a lot of those useless stuff that you shouldn't do because I know that video is useful. And I do have videos like that ready. Please make sure to hit that bell so that you can watch those videos that are coming out later. And you, I'm not gonna get anything out of that. You're gonna benefit from it. So just click on the bell notification. And if you don't know how to do that, then click on this card to know how to do so. I did make a video on it. And yeah, peace out.